Think about the last time you heard the phrase Indian tech. For decades, the immediate image that came to mind was massive corporate campuses or an endless army of software engineers quietly maintaining systems for Western companies. The ultimate global back office, right? But what if I told you that narrative is completely outdated, and right now, India is quietly building the digital plumbing for the rest of the planet?
It is a massive plot twist. Honestly, we are watching a nation pivot from just servicing the digital world to actually architecting it. And the engine behind this entire revolution is an ecosystem known as the India Stack. It sounds like a single piece of software, but it's actually a massive, invisible web of interconnected systems that are completely rewiring how a society functions.
Right, and that's the part that is genuinely fascinating. We aren't talking about a trendy new app, we are talking about the foundational layers of a modern economy. Identity verification, instant payments, secure document storage, and data sharing all talking to each other seamlessly.
Exactly. Imagine a skyscraper. The India Stack isn't the flashy penthouse suite. It's the steel frame and the concrete foundation. You've got biometric identity at the base, real-time financial transactions moving at lightning speed, and a framework that puts the user in control of their own data. Individually, these are great tools. Combined, they create a reality where over 1 billion people can participate in a digital economy in milliseconds.
The sheer scale of that is staggering. Moving money or proving your identity instantly across a population that massive is a puzzle very few developed nations have even come close to solving. But here is the real kicker. This infrastructure isn't staying within the borders anymore, is it?
Not at all. It has become a highly sought-after global export. Countries across Africa, Asia, and beyond are studying this model. They are realizing they don't need to rely on expensive closed-loop systems. India is essentially exporting a completely different technological philosophy, one built on open standards, interoperability, and extreme inclusion.
That word, philosophy, is crucial here. It's a totally different paradigm for how a country operates. But surely, exporting a societal framework isn't like shipping a physical product. You run straight into a wall of differing privacy laws, cultural expectations, and complex local regulations, right?
Oh, absolutely. You can't just copy and paste a digital society. Every nation has its own unique regulatory heartbeat and evolving anxieties about data privacy. Adapting this open framework to fit entirely different legal and cultural landscapes is going to be the ultimate stress test for this model.
Which brings up a rather profound philosophical question. If a nation's digital infrastructure dictates how its citizens interact, trade, and essentially exist online, who really holds the power? The country using the technology, or the one that designed its fundamental DNA?
That is the exact question global leaders should be losing sleep over tonight. Because the reality is, India is no longer just catching up to the global digital future or participating in it. By writing the open source rules of engagement, they are actively defining what that future looks like for all of us. And the rest of the world is just starting to realize it.